Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this look. Like if you have dark skin tone, if you have oily skin, oily ass skin, greasy ass skin, combination skin, dark as fuck kind of skin. Is that acceptable language? I don't know, but anyway, if you are dark skin tone, you have oily skin, greasy skin, whatever it is, I'm going to be showing you like the steps that I take to maintain a mattified face, whether in summer, winter, spring, whatever weather, raining, thundering, whatever it is. Especially if you're dark skin tone, it's really hard to find a foundation and highlighter that can, you know, do what it do. So I'm gonna kind of be showing you the products that I use and then show you how the steps that I take to kind of contour and highlight and get that highlight and contour. I feel like I keep saying the same thing, but anyway, you get the point. So if you want to see how I achieve my everyday foundation, highlight, contour routine, and what kind of foundation to use for dark skin and what kind of highlight and, you know, all that good stuff, then keep on watching. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Let me know what you think and come back and hit that notification button, hit that subscribe button so we can keep coming back for more videos. Thank you guys so much. Stay tuned and keep on watching. Bye.
Yeah. Check, bad guys in the beat. Sex problem. Yeah, I meet this dangerous girl for my guy wedding. She finds scatter, the body the mad person. I call the phone posh based on the kind setting. But even she don't know, I did try getting.
So I just dot this cream all over my face, and then I use my hand to kind of smooth it in. It's a really nice cream. I really like this cream. It's supposed to help with black marks or dark spots. I haven't noticed any changes because like I still have some dark spot, but yeah, apart from that, I really like the moisturizer because it helps my skin like feels soft and smooth, and it doesn't give me that oily look. It just helps my skin look nice and moisturized without giving it that oily feeling. And yeah, that's it. So the next one that I also like to go to is this cream that I got from the dollar store. It is oily free moisturizer. It's a really nice cream. It's actually finished. That's how you know, like I use this a lot. Like it's finished, like literally. I like this cream because once again it says it's oily free and it's a daily facial cream moisturizer. I like this because when I don't want to put on makeup, it just gives my skin that glowiness without looking greasy and you know, that's I just like to just smooth this all the way in. And it just makes my skin feel a lot more softer and nice. And that cream is only $1 at the dollar store or Dollar Tree. It's super nice. So after the moisturizing, because you have to moisturize, I actually just bought this. Usually I just use my e.l.f. setting spray, but I just bought this. It's the Clean Color Pro Prep and Prime Makeup Primer Spray. So it's like a setting spray before you put on your makeup. So I'm just gonna spray this from afar. I saw a lot of review on this, so I'm hoping it's really, really nice because I need something that is gonna make my foundation look flawless. So I have dark spots. I don't color correct because I don't know, it's just color correcting is not really my thing. I don't know why. If I do color correct, I like to use this Nicka K HD concealer, and this is in I think red clay. Yep, red clay. So I do like to use this when I do color correct, which is rarely because I don't ever color correct, but what I do, I'm gonna use this primer. Is a face primer. It's supposed to be a mattifying and smoothing primer, and I place it like all over my face, and then I rub it in. So after that yes, after that, so I started using this cream, which I really, really love. I think is a really nice cream. It's the Baby Skin Pore Eraser. I got this on eBay. It's a poreless, smooth skin, lightweight and breathable. It does erase some of my pore. And I'm saying it's the bomb because for that price and it does that kind of work is excellent for me. So I normally just place this like on where I notice like a lot of pores. Just place it right there. After that, I go in with this it's milk of magnesium. I've been using this for years, so that's the only thing that's affordable that actually works for me. So like I'm just gonna use this and actually dab it on my nose. Now I don't put it all over my face because I don't really get oily all over my face. I mainly get oily on my nose, my forehead, like on my cheek right here, and those are pretty much the places I get oily, especially on my nose. So after I let it dry down for like a minute or so, I have two favorite foundation that I usually use, which is the Maybelline Fit Me and the Black Radiance foundation. I enjoy using this two foundation. They are like literally my fave. I have like three foundation. I have the Revlon Color Stay foundation and this too, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in matte, and this is in 375. And I have my Black Radiance Color Perfect liquid makeup foundation, and this one I believe is in cocoa bean. Like those three are the only foundation I have, but those two are like my all-time go-to. Like I love them so much. But for today I'm gonna be using the Black Radiance foundation in cocoa bean. So I'm gonna take this. I love this foundation. It's oil free it's oil free foundation. However, if I just use this without doing this process, I do get oily. My face become really oily. But when I do this process and put this on, is like paradise. And so I just go in with a brush and I just like, I literally would like push it in. I don't like do this or like, no, I just literally just dab it in. So after this, I go ahead and do my eyebrows. So after 40 years in the wilderness, I finally got my eyebrows together. I finally crossed the Red Sea. Okay, this eyebrows ain't no joke. But anyway, so after I do my eyebrows, I go in with the highlight and contouring of the Gucci part. So I usually use this Ruby Kisses HD concealer. Oh my god, this is like my favorite here. And I literally only like take a little bit. Like I don't be doing too much. Like when you just, that's too much. But anyway, and then I put like like literally, I literally dot it because I don't believe like you need all of that. So, and then I put right here. I put like dot right here, right here, and then I normally don't do on my forehead, but the sake of this video, I'm just gonna dot right here, and that's pretty much it. So I just go in and blend. I just spray NYX setting spray, and I just use it to blend it in. So I normally dab. So I don't bring it out. I just stay right here. And voila. Like literally in like 5 seconds. So after that, I go in with my HD Ruby Kisses. I'm laughing because like literally everything I use is Ruby Kisses, because like you guys do not understand like how awesome their products are. Like their lipstick, their powder, their foundation, their concealer, like their brow gel, like it's just awesome, and it's affordable and accessible, like, and it's multi-range. Like how can you not love it? Like how? Anyway, so I'm gonna be going in with my Ruby Kisses it's a HD setting powder. I'm just brushing it off. I don't really let it bake or set for a long time, because I don't want that I don't have that much time, and I don't want it to be too much. So after that, I usually go in with my Black Radiance face powder, and I believe this is in Ebony.
So I just place this like all over my face, and I just dab.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and contour. Look at that. Notice I'm not using any more products. I'm just using whatever I have left over. And I'm just gonna contour my forehead. So I'm gonna just contour my nose with the same powder, and I normally drag this all the way to my brow line. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this, I'm gonna use this reddish pinkish blush highlighter-ish and place that on my cheek. So for the best part, oh my god, like I'm sorry, but I'm like too stoked right now. Like I'm just too excited right now, because I'm actually gonna be using like my favorite highlighter in the whole world. Like okay, so for my favorite highlighter in the whole world, like I'm gonna be using this Ruby Kisses highlighter all over glow. This highlighter is like a rose goldish kind of highlighter. It's the all over bronze glow. Like it is phenomenal. Like let me swatch it. Like look at that. Look at, oh my god, look at how beautiful it is. Like look at that. Oh my god. Anyway, let me go ahead and use this, because you know we're running late and we gotta go make that money. So I'm just gonna put this like on my cheek, so you can kind of like look at that, like only swerved it a little bit. So let's go. Oh my god. Okay. I'm sorry, but okay. So like look at that. Like okay. All right. I just want to make sure you see this. Like, you are seeing this, right? Like, you seeing this. This is not lighting. This is not some glowing app. This is like the real natural shit. Like, oh my god. So now for the next look, I'm gonna add my Ruby Kisses lipstick. This is also like my go-to lipstick. Is a matte lipstick, and this one is in Great Fit. It's like a purple color. I really love this if I'm trying to go for like that boom in your face, but like no eyeshadow and all that. I really love it. So this is pretty much the finished look of my highlight and contour. Like you see, I love to glow. And with the help of Ruby Kisses All Over Glow, I can achieve those look. But like the highlighter, you don't have to go as much as I do. Like if you want to like a little glow, you can. It's beautiful. But I like to go a little overboard. So that's how I like my highlighter. But like I said, if you want to tone yours down a little bit, you can do that. But this is how I like mine. So yeah, so yep, this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to come back for more videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. And let me know what you think and what you would like to see next. Thank you guys so much. Bye.
She said her name was Agatha. She know the FaceTime. She did minimize data. So I did buy airtime for me big papa.
I can't rearrange them, use my new tactics. The way I did toast, you would think I do practice. I did tickle the fancy of a true bad chick, like I did magic. It was too rapid.
My G's don't know why I provide the funds. Lord ma, cause she got the junk in the trunk. I did try show, sin I stunt at the stones. Wait I show, baby, what is it you want?
She said, give me something light. Give me something light. Give me something light. I'm not really hungry. Something light.
Come again? She said, give me something light. She wants something light. She said, give me something light. She wants something light.
That is how she gave them. That is how the date went. Shorty keep my dreams with only that statement. She said she will knock me if I will have patience.